Yeah. I also think that... come on. This has been an eye-opener because we are young, vibrant, and we are looking for alternative ways.
Wait, I need to start over. I've learned that I don't need a big camera to be able to take good shots.
I've loved each and every bit of it. We're really being taught on how to tell compelling visual stories.
I'm happy we did a lot of editing. I wasn't really good at that, and now I'm able to edit my own stories.
When I was showing my family about some of the footage that I got, they were like, is this you or is someone else? This is really good. It's even much better than what I used to do.